Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel, where we offer useful spiritual insights to help you navigate your twin flame journey. The journey of the twin flame is one of spiritual initiation, a powerful relationship that calls individuals to look within and face aspects of themselves they may not have acknowledged. The twin flame connection is unlike any other. It awakens a profound sense of unity and unconditional love, yet it's not solely a journey of togetherness and harmony. A key part of this relationship is the phenomenon of separation, a phase that can feel like an existential fracture, where one or both twins feel an intense void as they pull apart. This separation is more than just physical distance. It's an emotional and spiritual division that serves as one of the most critical periods of growth and self-realization in the journey. Twin flame separation is often accompanied by what many refer to as separation sickness, a set of symptoms that encompasses physical, mental, and emotional turmoil. This is not a simple matter of missing someone. It's an all-encompassing experience that disrupts the very core of one's being. Those who experience it report symptoms that can be physically exhausting, emotionally draining, and spiritually profound. Yet, despite the agony of separation, the twin flame journey is ultimately one of reunion and transformation. Even though separation may span lifetimes, it is only temporary, for twin flames are bound to return to each other. This return may not occur in the way we expect, but it is an inevitable part of the cosmic design of the twin flame bond. In today's video, we will reveal 7 core symptoms of twin flame separation sickness. Each symptom is like a reflection of the journey's intensity and the depth of the work it demands. By the end, you'll see that this phase, despite its challenges, is a powerful teacher. By understanding and embracing these symptoms, you can turn this period of separation into a journey of self-discovery, growth, and ultimately, spiritual ascension. Let us begin. Number 1, the soul ache, an unexplainable sense of longing. The first and perhaps most universally experienced symptom of twin flame separation sickness is a deep soul ache, an intense yearning that seems to transcend physical or emotional longing. This soul ache is unlike anything felt in conventional relationships. It is an ache that often defies logical understanding, as it stems from the very core of one's being. The sensation might feel like an emptiness within, a profound void that cannot be filled by anyone or anything else. This longing isn't simply missing the other person. It's a deep-seated craving to be whole again, as if part of the self has gone missing. This ache arises from the profound spiritual and energetic bond between twin flames. When they separate, the energy that once flowed naturally between them becomes disrupted. This disconnection creates an imbalance within each individual, leading to an intense pull, an urge to reunite and restore the sense of unity that was once felt. Often, the soul ache seems inexplicable. It can come unprompted, catching one off guard, making the longing even more agonizing as it persists without any obvious cause. Coping with this ache is no easy task, as it often permeates every aspect of life. However, this longing also serves as a powerful reminder of the strength of the connection and the journey's spiritual purpose. Rather than attempting to numb or escape from it, it can be helpful to face the ache head-on. One way to do this is through mindful reflection or journaling, allowing oneself to express these feelings and explore what they reveal about the self. Meditation and visualization can also help, as they create a space to connect with the twin flame energetically and feel a sense of closeness, even in physical absence. By accepting the soul ache as part of the process, one can gradually transform the pain into a deeper connection with their own inner self. Number 2, physical manifestations, aches, pains, and exhaustion. Physical symptoms are a surprising but common element of twin flame separation sickness. Those experiencing this may feel sudden and unexplained physical sensations, such as sharp pains, aching muscles, or even flu-like symptoms. There is often a profound feeling of fatigue that doesn't respond to rest. Unlike typical physical pain or tiredness, these symptoms seem to be tied directly to the emotions and energy related to the twin flame separation, serving as reminders of the connection that exists on a soul level. The physical manifestations are often focused around the heart area, where people may experience pressure or tightness. This aligns with the concept of the heart chakra, the energy center associated with love, compassion, and connection. When twin flames separate, the heart chakra may become blocked or experience intense energy shifts as it processes the absence of the other soul. This process can be deeply uncomfortable as it mirrors the emotional weight of the separation and the yearning to feel whole again. In addition to heart-related symptoms, the physical exhaustion many feel is not merely a result of emotional strain. It's a sign that the body is undergoing an energetic recalibration. The twin flame journey requires immense energy, and during separation, this energy shifts inward, often causing physical fatigue as the body and soul work together to adjust to the absence of the other. Supporting the body through these physical symptoms is essential for one's well-being. Regular self-care practices such as gentle yoga, breath work, or even stretching can help alleviate tension and restore a sense of calm. Eating nourishing foods, drinking plenty of water, and spending time in nature can also support the body's healing process. Recognizing these physical sensations as part of the journey, rather than viewing them as obstacles, can help shift the experience, making it easier to approach with compassion and patience. Number 3. Emotional turbulence. Waves of intense emotions. Emotional upheaval is a defining feature of twin flame separation sickness. This symptom often appears as unpredictable emotional swings, ranging from sorrow and despair to anger and confusion. These emotional waves can feel unmanageable, as if one is at the mercy of feelings beyond their control. This turbulence often leads to a sense of instability and overwhelm, as if the ground beneath one's feet is constantly shifting. The emotional turmoil experienced during twin flame separation arises from the soul's attempt to process and release deep-seated wounds. The twin flame connection is a mirror, reflecting each person's fears, insecurities, and unresolved traumas. During separation, these issues come to the surface, demanding attention and healing. The result is a period of intense inner work where one must confront parts of themselves they may have avoided or repressed. Navigating these emotional waves requires courage and self-compassion. Rather than resisting the emotions, embracing them as part of the healing process can lead to profound insights. Engaging in practices that support emotional release, such as journaling, creative expression, or talking with a supportive friend or therapist, can make the experience more bearable. These emotions are not here to harm. They're here to teach and transform, revealing deeper layers of self-awareness and resilience. Number 4. Sleeplessness and disturbed rest. Sleeplessness is a frequent symptom for those undergoing twin flame separation sickness, often manifesting as restlessness, vivid dreams, or difficulty falling asleep. These disturbances go beyond typical insomnia. They are a reflection of the soul's yearning for connection and the inner turbulence created by separation. For many, this period brings dreams that are symbolic, sometimes feeling so real that they question whether they were truly dreams or another form of reality. These dreams often involve the twin flame, appearing as encounters or conversations that can bring both comfort and sadness upon waking. The reason behind such intense dream activity is that the twin flame connection transcends the physical world, allowing the two souls to meet on an energetic or astral plane. This form of connection can be unsettling, as the vividness of these experiences can leave one feeling drained and longing even more deeply for reunion. The soul, while separated from its twin on the earthly plane, seeks solace through these dream encounters, yet they can exacerbate the feelings of separation upon waking. Creating a calming nighttime routine can help mitigate these sleep disturbances. Practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or listening to soothing music before bed can create a sense of peace and relaxation. Setting an intention to sleep peacefully and inviting a sense of acceptance toward whatever dreams may come can also bring some comfort. Accepting these dreams as a continuation of the twin flame connection rather than a mere symptom of longing can transform the experience into something that fosters growth and resilience. Number 5, feeling disconnected and lost. Separation from one's twin flame can lead to an overwhelming feeling of being disconnected or lost. This sensation goes beyond loneliness. It often feels like an existential disorientation, as if one has lost their sense of purpose or belonging. Life may seem to lack meaning, and there can be a profound sense of emptiness that seeps into daily activities. This void is felt not just in the heart, but throughout one's entire being, reflecting the impact of a connection that once felt like home. The sense of loss and disconnection stems from the disruption of a bond that previously offered a sense of wholeness and purpose. Twin flames share a connection that transcends ordinary relationships, one that often feels like the missing piece of the self. In separation, the absence of this connection is felt deeply, sometimes creating an emotional void that no other person or experience can fill. This feeling of disconnection is, in truth, a call to return to oneself, to explore the depths of the self and rediscover the true nature of one's identity outside of the twin flame relationship. Finding ways to reconnect with the self can help to alleviate this feeling of disorientation. Meditation, mindfulness, and grounding practices allow one to reconnect with their core essence, reaffirming the completeness within. Exploring creative outlets, taking up hobbies, and engaging in activities that bring joy can also create a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Though this period may feel like a descent into darkness, it is an opportunity to build a strong foundation of self-love and self-discovery. Number 6, persistent mental overload and anxiety. A profound symptom of twin flame separation sickness is mental overload, often accompanied by heightened anxiety. This mental state is characterized by a constant overthinking, as if the mind is caught in an unbreakable loop of analyzing the relationship, replaying memories, and questioning decisions made along the way. For many, this thought cycle is exhausting, yet nearly impossible to escape. The mental turmoil can lead to heightened anxiety, creating a pervasive sense of worry or dread about the future of the connection, and amplifying doubts about whether reunion is possible. This mental overload stems from the energy imbalance created by separation. Twin flames are deeply connected on an energetic level, and when they part ways, this energy no longer flows freely. This disruption causes the mind to attempt to compensate by seeking answers and understanding, often to the point of obsession. The subconscious mind, in its attempt to fill the void, keeps bringing the twin flame connection to the forefront, fueling the cycle of thoughts that revolve around the separation. The result is an inner dialogue that becomes a source of both frustration and anguish, as the mind struggles to find a resolution to something it cannot fully comprehend. Learning to quiet the mind is essential for managing this symptom. Meditation, breath work, and mindfulness practices can provide significant relief, helping to break the cycle of overthinking. Regular meditation allows the mind to experience moments of stillness, creating a space where mental peace can be found amidst the chaos. Another approach is journaling. By writing down one's thoughts and emotions, the mind can release some of the mental energy it holds, leading to a more balanced state. As one becomes more skilled at calming the mind, it becomes easier to trust in the twin flame journey and surrender to its natural unfolding. Number 7. The spiritual awakening, profound expansion of self-awareness. The final and most transformative symptom of twin flame separation sickness is the onset of a spiritual awakening. Unlike the other symptoms, which are rooted in pain and longing, this awakening often arrives as a beacon of hope and enlightenment. It marks a period of profound growth, where the individual experiences heightened self-awareness, spiritual insight, and an expanded understanding of the universe. This awakening is one of the most beautiful, albeit challenging aspects of the twin flame journey, as it shifts the focus from loss to personal evolution. A spiritual awakening during twin flame separation often entails a reassessment of values, beliefs, and priorities. Many find that their previous understanding of love, connection, and purpose begins to shift, revealing a deeper, more profound truth about themselves and the nature of reality. This period can be characterized by a pull toward spiritual practices such as meditation, yoga, or even the study of metaphysical concepts, as the soul searches for ways to understand and cope with the separation. Often, individuals discover latent talents or intuitive abilities, such as empathy, clairvoyance, or energy healing, that help them navigate their path and aid others. This awakening is not without its trials. As the ego is challenged to release old patterns and attachments, there can be moments of deep discomfort and even fear. The awakening asks one to shed illusions, attachments, and fears that no longer serve them. Embracing this change, however, allows one to develop resilience and an inner strength that far surpasses anything they have known before. Through this journey of self-expansion, one learns to embrace the idea that fulfillment and love come from within. This realization often serves as the foundation for eventual reunion with the twin flame. For once individuals achieve inner wholeness, they are better prepared to share that wholeness with another. The spiritual awakening marks a turning point in the twin flame journey, reminding the individual that this period of separation is not merely a chapter of loss, but a journey toward enlightenment. By embracing this newfound awareness, one can experience a deep sense of peace and acceptance, finding meaning in the separation that transcends the pain. This phase encourages each twin to step into their higher purpose, as they become more aligned with their true essence and the path that will ultimately lead them back to one another. The journey of twin flame separation sickness is a deeply transformative experience that pushes individuals to their limits, yet opens the door to unparalleled personal growth and self-realization. The symptoms of soul ache, physical manifestations, emotional turbulence, sleeplessness, feelings of disconnection, mental overload, and spiritual awakening are each reflections of the intensity and depth of the twin flame bond. These symptoms, while painful and challenging, offer a powerful opportunity for growth, healing, and spiritual ascension. Twin flame separation is more than just a period of physical or emotional distance. It is a rite of passage that invites both twins to confront their deepest fears, heal old wounds, and awaken to their true selves. Through this journey, one learns to embrace the paradox of separation and unity, understanding that the twin flame connection is eternal and transcends the constraints of time and space. Even though reunion may take lifetimes, it is woven into the very fabric of the soul's journey. As one moves through the pain of separation, there is a gradual shift from longing and despair to empowerment and hope. Each moment of this journey is a reminder of the infinite capacity for love and resilience within. The separation phase, with all its trials, ultimately brings both individuals closer to their highest selves, preparing them for a reunion that is based on wholeness and unconditional love. Twin flames, by nature, are destined to reunite, not merely for the sake of togetherness, but to fulfill a shared purpose that extends beyond the self and benefits the collective soul journey of humanity. Embracing this phase of separation allows one to find peace amidst the longing, and to see the journey as a path toward becoming the highest expression of love, compassion, and spiritual wisdom. Through the twin flame journey, one learns that true fulfillment lies not in clinging to the connection, but in nurturing the self, finding meaning in each step, and trusting in the soul's path. As one surrenders to this divine process, they ultimately realize that twin flames are forever united, dancing through the cosmos in an endless journey toward love, unity, and spiritual transcendence.